How do you turn up the brightness on an iMac? That's what I'm going to show you guys there. Hello, my friends. Hello there. So I'm looking at my PC, which is here. And you can see it's pretty bright. And my Mac is here. So when I'm looking back and forth at these two, now I guess I could turn down the brightness on my PC because I know how to do that. But I really want my Mac to be about the same brightness as my PC. So how do I do that? We go to settings, system preferences right here. See this gear right here? Here, let me zoom in. Click on that, okay? Now that'll come up and then it'll open up a window. Whoops, let me open up. It'll open up a window kind of like this. And here, let me get the other one out of the way. Bing. Minimize. So you'll have this window here. Let's see if I can put this down. Actually, I'll just put it out. And you're going to go down to the lower left-hand corner where it says displays. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. Double click that. And then it'll come up and it'll say, P's iMac. Right here, there's a slider. It says brightness. So you can go. And then now it's about the same brightness as my PC. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If this helped you at all, please press like if you found value in it. And I'll see you on the next one, and I hope I don't have a cold. Take care. Thanks.